Trying to save a Facebook video as an MP4 only to realize Facebook doesn't give you a download button? Stop scrolling. I'm going to show you how to do it for free in just 3 seconds. Most people think downloading Facebook videos is a headache. You either have to install sketchy extensions, or you end up on shady websites full of annoying pop-ups and virus risks. But honestly, you don't need any of that. Today, I'm showing you the tool I use every single day, savefbees.com. It's 100% free, requires no registration, and works on any device. Here is all you need to do. Step 1. Go to Facebook, find the video or reel you want to keep, click share, and copy the link. Step 2. Open your browser and go to savefbs.com. Step 3. Paste your link right into the search box and hit download. Look at that! It not only grabs the video instantly, but it also lets you choose your preferred quality. Downloading a clean HD MP4 right to your phone's camera roll or your computer. The whole thing takes less than 5 seconds with 0 watermarks. It works on any device, mobile or desktop, so you can save videos wherever you are. If this saved you some time, go ahead and try it out right now. The link is savefbs.com, and I've also dropped it in the pinned comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.